What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything. Guys, before I get to today's review, a couple things. One, I just want to let you know that like today's review, it's going to hit a small group of people up. It might only get 40, 50 views. I don't care. I review whatever I think that is going to help at least a couple people or even one person. So before I get to today's review about the tire cover, I just want to let you guys know I started a Discord for the second part of my channel called the Warehouse Series. And I just thought in there, you know, I get emails time to time about my reviews, people asking questions, and I figured why not just add a category on. So if you look right here, guys, if you're on Discord, you can come over, join Discord, and just ignore all the top chat rooms about the warehouse work that's going on over there. And I put a Tim Reviews Everything chat room. If you guys have any questions or you want to chat back and forth about a product that I reviewed, come on there. Leave a comment, leave a question, and I will get back to you, and we could chat back and forth about one of my products, and we can go into a discussion. You know, instead of, you know, leaving a comment on one of my videos and then coming back a couple days later, we could chat back and forth right there, and I just think it'll be something unique to add onto this channel. So, and if it grows and I get a lot of people to come over to my Discord, guys, and it's all free, you know, so, but if I could get people to come over to my Discord and the review part of that channel, you know, the review part starts growing, I will make separate chat rooms for the review. But for right now, under Tim Reviews Everything, you guys got any questions and you want to chat about, come over to Discord, sign up, and we'll start chatting back and forth about any of the products that I've ever reviewed. So let's get to today's review. So today, guys, this is off of Amazon. It is a very, I can't find a name on here anywhere. So I don't know if it's an Amazon product, but it says spare tire cover. You customize your spare tire cover. This is it right here. A screenshot. Guys, when you put custom tire cover in, it is what it comes up. Design your own cover, design here or whatever. That's the company. $19.95, $5.99 shipping and handling. I don't think it's part of Prime. I just want to let you guys know all tax and everything comes out to about $30. All right, guys, so I ordered two of these tire covers, one for my Step 1 Finance and one for Tim Reviews Everything. And guys, this company's not perfect. My friend also from work also ordered a couple of these. He also has his own YouTube channel right here. So if you want to go check out that, if you're a gamer, you know, go check out his YouTube channel. They're cheap, but they're not perfect. So the first one I got was the Step 1 Finance, and obviously I don't do this anymore, so I figured I'm gonna use this for a fire pit cover or something to that nature. Guys, the slit that they put on here to tighten this up once you get it around your tire, they do not care where they put this thing, okay? As you can see, this one's towards the bottom, but I still had problems of water collecting down here, okay? So, and my friend that ordered one, his logo was off-centered on the one, and supposedly he went back and forth with emails to get another one sent to him for free, and they actually sent him this slit directly on top. I doubt that anybody from this company will ever see this review, but if you ever see this review, you guys got to put your slit at the bottom, okay? So that's the Step 1 Finance. It's a cheap material, but it's, like I said, it's enough to cover your tire. Now here's the Hummer one I got, or the other one I got for Tim Reviews Everything. And this picture right here, where my hand is, that's where the slit is. So once again, rainwater is collecting in the bottom of this thing. So I actually took a screwdriver and I poked a hole in there, a couple holes in the bottom there so the water drains out. Otherwise, it's just gonna fill up with water. So a couple things. One, he got one of his tire covers offset, which that would be just horrible. I mean, you at least want it centered. These are customized tire covers, so as far as I'm concerned, they should be taking their time doing this since it's a customized thing. It's not like it's coming off the press. You're customizing this. And I wish they would put the slit at the bottom. So you could slit that at the bottom, and then all the water can drain out the bottom. It would be nice. But for 30 bucks, I would imagine, you know, guys, I had that one on there for about a year, almost a year, and it's still good. They fade a little bit, but you know, for 30 bucks, you know, it is what it is. I just want to let you know the two downfalls. You might get one off-centered where you might have to argue with them to get another one sent to you for free, which he did after some time. And the second thing is that slit is never directly at the bottom where it should be for rainwater to come out. So cheap advertisement, maybe last a year or whatever, poke some holes in the bottom there like I did, but I figure for 30 bucks, what the heck. good advertisement, and hopefully I picked up some subscribers like that. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.